We loved your session. It was phenomenal.
Yes.
So much fun.
And it was great.
Yes.
Perfect.
We learned to consider everything a gift, which is great.
And to build on each other, on our
Which
team
we're doing.
members. And we are grateful to have this opportunity to talk to you.
Oh my gosh, it was so awesome. If you get a chance, you gotta have Carrie talk at your group, talk with your organization. She's gonna bring out improvisation to heights that you never thought possible. So definitely have her there for yourself.
It wasn't like a regular presentation where you just sit there and listen and take notes. Like, this was interactive and fun and engaging, and the time flew, and it was actually incredibly powerful, and to me it felt sacred because it helped me really again value relationships. Big time.
And I had a lot of people come up to me afterwards because I'm in charge of the programs, and they were like, "This is so good. I came for this topic, and she was so good, and they need it." So
It was awesome.
She's a great testimonial from us.
Carrie did a wonderful job of presenting all things improvisation to our coaches, and our chapter truly benefited from her expertise.
I'm so happy to have her here. We got into Yes and, of course, which is the core skill of coaching. But even more importantly, since I'm one of the people who brought her here, of course, making it all about me, I was very concerned that she'd be very good, and she was amazing. She just did an awesome job of managing our group, of herding all these cats, and teaching us some really fabulous stuff.
I was very excited to attend Carrie's program on improvisation for coaches, and when I got back home I wanted to tell her how much I enjoyed it, so I took a look at her website and noticed that she also does workshops for executives. And since I'm the Chicago chapter director of the CEO Forum, I thought, well, maybe Carrie would be interested in being on our program next year. And here we are today, and it was a great program. We had our normal roundtable discussion first, and then Carrie was on to teach improv to executives, and it was an amazing experience, and she taught us a lot about who we are and how we do things and how we can do them better. So we really appreciate that.
Well, I just thought your workshop at the conference was just wonderful. It was an absolute treat to play, to learn, and it's about being in the moment. I mean, all this work is about being present. And what I heard at that workshop of yours was a reminder of what it means to be present, what it means to sort of show up, and all the things that we were doing, the applicability to our work to become better facilitators, to become better listeners. The word that you use is to be obvious. We don't need to show off here, and so I just want you to come out and share it with the folks I work with and folks in our Minnesota, North Central Wisconsin network. We had folks here from Iowa, and from what I've heard from folks, you did what I was hoping would happen.
Carrie's amazing.
Yeah, Carrie's amazing. It was wonderful.
It was
Everybody
totally
really enjoyed
improv, so
yeah,
it was.
Who knew what to expect?
We didn't know what to expect. We all learned a lot of great things, and we're so glad to have Carrie here, and I hope that she is able to go out to other places and teach her knowledge so coaches can use what she has to offer to everyone else.
Absolutely.
Insightful. Thank you.